हाँ ये आप कर लीजिएगा, मैं अभी जरा सा
I'm ready for you, brother. Yeah. I just think that it's fine. As we speak, for your vehicle today, the market is 98,000.
हम्म, My friend, what's your name?
My name is Val.
Val.
Val from Bulgaria.
Bulgaria. This is a beautiful car, huh?
It
You are
is
selling.
And when we drove the car, everybody from the family was happy, and that's what it mattered.
Yes. And what is the quality of this car, brother?
The quality?
Yeah.
The quality
The best quality.
is backed up by 10 years, 100,000 miles warranty for the engine and transmission.
Ooh.
All the,
100,000.
and all the remaining is 5 years, 60,000 miles.
Hmm.
When you buy the new vehicle, everywhere in USA, you will have free roadside assistance for 5 years or 60,000 miles. That's another benefit.
Right.
And you don't have to put premium gas, just a regular gas.
This is regular gas too.
Regular
Hmm?
gas.
Good.
And it's come from the bottom of my heart.
Yeah, I'm coming from here. I'm making
No problem.
only two because beautiful car.
Thank you, man. Thank you, guys. Have a good evening.
Have a good day.
Stay safe. Take
Stay
care for a
safe.
nice family.
Yeah. This is a Kia showroom. We are here for buying one car, inshallah. So we paid some money and I'll show you which car we bought it. See, this is all Kia 8-seater car, beautiful car. This gentleman, he's a salesman and his name is Sultan. MashaAllah.
I still have it? Okay. Let me give you this key. You guys can take a look at that one over there. And then, at your car. And then I'll bring your key. I'll bring your key, but you guys look at your key, okay?
Okay. See, beautiful showroom, lot of car here. You can see, enjoy. If you want to buy some car, You can come here. They have wonderful service too, and a lot of new cars. We bought here one new car. I'll show you what car we bought. All cars are remarkable. I will show you. This car. We bought this car. This is a new model car. Beautiful services here. And we are here with Mirbhojas. Oh, mashallah. And if you don't mind, can you show behind the seats? See, beautiful. See, you can see, because if you are not seeing, then no one watching here. Mirbhoja, one of the best, because Yahiya's copy chart.
So this is it a trial or
1 year. So after a year, you still have some access to it. Most of it, no. Your key, this will always have auto start, so it'll never run out. Right here. So you press lock 2 times, and then you see that where it says hold, and then you press and hold for 3 seconds. You see that little red light? After 3 seconds.
Yeah. What do you do? See? He's the Sultan. He's our.
And then in here, it's super easy. So, like, you see these buttons right here? So when it's
Mirbhoja card. आप बनाइए मैं बातचीत से करता हूँ इसको.
But you got engine on, engine off, lock, unlock. This is super cool. So you can go into custom. You can change your temperature. You can turn on your heated steering wheel and rear defrost. You can change your seats, turn on heated seats, refrigerated seats. All that kind of stuff. Maintenance, if you ever get a check engine light, you can always see what it is. It's a vehicle status. And say it's like an oxygen sensor, right? It'll say that right there instead of just saying check. So you'll know what's going on with your car. Inside of convenience right here, that'll have remote start schedule. So if you leave the house 4 times a week, same time, you can create a calendar or schedule so it starts up same time. Okay. And then also, come inside with me just for a second. We've got to get your vehicle certified online. Inside the building, yeah. It'll only take probably 2 minutes, but I'm also going to give him one of my business cards. Sure. So if you have questions about the carnival, call me, text me, or you can always stop. Do you live kind of close? No, you're way out of town, brother.
What's your name, brother?
Steve.
Steve.
What's up, man?
Yes, how long been you involved in this business?
70 years.
Oh, no.
No, I just 2 years. 2 years.
2 years.
I've been here. Yep.
In this
place?
place?
In this building right
Wow.
here. Yep. It feels like forever.
Then do you have any good experience? Very excited.
all of the good experience.
And what is the worst experience?
Worst experience? When I ate the one chip challenge, a spicy chip.
I want that challenge.
Oh my, you won it?
I want
Yeah.
Me too. Afterwards, hour and 15 minutes afterwards, I was laying in service. Oh, man.
Did you ever eat biryani? His
Yes,
biryani?
100%, man. I used to work at a place called the Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal Indian,
so
yeah.
biryani, chicken tikka masala, all that kind of stuff. Yeah.
You like it,
Oh
huh?
my gosh, yeah.
And
I know how to cook in a
I can just have your
tandoori.
signature.
really?
I can cook in a tandoori. Naan breads, rack of lamb, all that kind of stuff.
Who make it? You or your girlfriend?
No, me. My girlfriend don't know how to do any of that stuff.
Come on.
Yes, mango lassi, man, all that stuff.
Wow, his girlfriend cooking a lot of things.
Really? I need to find me a girlfriend that will do that. I've cooked too much.
Wow, good.
Yeah.
Nice to see you, brother.
Nice to meet you too. my
You
friend.
you will
I'm
see
gonna
this
leave it on
picture in my YouTube channel.
In your YouTube channel?
Yeah.
No kidding.
Yeah,
What's your YouTube channel?
towards